Hello friends, this is Crazy Channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password using your phone. So first, Google your IP address. Such as my IP address is 192.168.1.1. Search that. 192.168.1.1. Search. So this is the TP-Link page. Your username and password will be written at the back of your router, such as my username and password is admin. Admin password is also the same. Login. So this is the TP-Link page. You can see here my wireless name that is disconnected, and if you want to change that, go to wireless. You can see here my wireless network name is disconnected. Tap here, write whichever name you want, then if you want, save that, and if you want to change the password, go to wireless security. See, this is my password, crazy123. So if I want to change that, writing crazy 12345. So write 12345, hit on save button, and see this, my password is changed. So this is my put your new password, that is CRAZY12345. So type it again, crazy12345. Connect. See friends, it is connected. So thank you for watching this video.